In today's world, protein is a buzzword in health and fitness circles. But with so many sources available, how do you choose the best one for your body? Should you stick to animal-based proteins, hailed for their complete amino acid profile and quick absorption? Or are plant-based proteins, once seen as inferior, now offering surprising benefits for your health and the planet? With a growing shift toward plant-based diets, many people are questioning whether animal protein is really superior in terms of absorption and performance. What if both types of protein have unique advantages, depending on your goals and needs? In this video, we'll dive into the science of protein absorption, compare the strengths of animal and plant proteins, and explore how each affects your body differently. Let's begin by understanding the basic process of protein digestion and absorption. How does your body use the protein you consume? Protein is a vital macronutrient that plays a key role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. It is made up of smaller units called amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids through the process of digestion. These amino acids are then absorbed into the bloodstream and used to build muscles, repair tissues, and perform other critical functions. The absorption of protein begins in the stomach, where stomach acids and enzymes break down the protein into smaller chains called peptides. The majority of digestion and absorption takes place in the small intestine, where enzymes further break down the peptides into individual amino acids. These amino acids are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine and enter the bloodstream, where they are transported to various cells in the body for use. The efficiency of protein absorption can vary based on the source of the protein. Animal proteins are generally considered highly bioavailable, meaning that your body can absorb and utilize most of the amino acids they contain. However, plant proteins, while still beneficial, can have different absorption rates due to factors like fiber content and the presence of anti-nutrients that may interfere with digestion. With this understanding of how protein is absorbed, let's now explore the specific absorption characteristics of animal protein and why it is often regarded as a superior option for muscle growth and recovery. Animal proteins, found in foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, are considered complete proteins. This means they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This makes animal protein an excellent source for supporting muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. One of the key advantages of animal protein is its high bioavailability. Bioavailability refers to how easily the body can absorb and utilize the nutrients in a food. Animal proteins are highly digestible, meaning that most of the amino acids are absorbed efficiently by the body. For example, the Protein Digestibility Corrected Amino Acid Score, PDCAAS, a measure of protein quality, ranks animal proteins like eggs and dairy very highly because they provide a well-balanced and easily absorbed amino acid profile. Furthermore, animal proteins are typically broken down and absorbed faster than plant proteins. This is particularly beneficial for muscle repair and recovery after intense exercise, as your body can quickly access the amino acids it needs to rebuild muscle tissue. Plant proteins, found in foods like legumes, nuts, seeds, grains, and soy, are often considered an essential part of a healthy diet. While they offer many health benefits, they are generally less bioavailable than animal proteins, meaning the body may absorb and utilize a smaller proportion of the amino acids. This is largely due to the presence of anti-nutrients, such as phytic acid and lectins, which can interfere with protein digestion and absorption. These compounds bind to proteins and minerals, reducing their availability for the body. Another characteristic of many plant proteins is that they are incomplete, meaning they don't contain all 9 essential amino acids in sufficient quantities. However, there are notable exceptions like quinoa and soy, which are complete proteins. Many people on plant-based diets can still obtain a complete amino acid profile by combining different protein sources, such as beans with rice or hummus with whole wheat bread. This strategy, known as protein complementing, helps ensure the body gets all the essential amino acids it needs. Despite these challenges, plant proteins offer significant advantages. They are often rich in fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all of which support heart health, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer. Additionally, Plant-based diets are typically lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, making them a heart-healthy choice. Next, we'll compare how animal and plant proteins stack up in terms of absorption efficiency and overall impact on your body's performance and health. When it comes to protein absorption, the efficiency of the body's ability to break down and utilize amino acids can vary based on the source. Animal proteins are generally considered superior in terms of bioavailability. They contain all 9 essential amino acids in the right proportions and are broken down and absorbed more quickly, making them ideal for muscle repair and growth. This is why athletes and bodybuilders often favor animal-based proteins like chicken, beef, and whey for faster recovery after workouts. On the other hand, plant proteins, while still beneficial, may not be absorbed as efficiently. Many plant-based proteins lack one or more essential amino acids, which means your body must rely on complementary protein sources to get a complete profile. This can slightly slow down the absorption process, though it's important to note that plant proteins are still effective when consumed as part of a balanced diet. The presence of fiber and anti-nutrients in plant foods can also impact digestion, but these components have health benefits in their own right, such as improving gut health and reducing inflammation. While animal proteins are often digested more quickly and more completely, plant proteins have their own set of advantages, including additional nutrients like fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. The key to optimal health and performance may not lie in choosing one over the other, although we believe that animal protein is the clear winner, but rather in combining both protein sources strategically for the best of both worlds for different benefits.